Hi everyone, welcome back to Key to Blogging. As you can see, I am in my WordPress dashboard and my dashboard is looking different. So we have a desktop view like taskbar, and then we have some icons, and then we have some widgets. So let me go to the dashboard, and as you can see, it is opening like a Windows where I can access all these settings and I can minimize it. Let me go to post, and here as you can see, this is the post section, so I can expand it or I can minimize this section like this, or I can resize my window. And let me open the media section like this, and I can resize these windows like this. So in this way you can work like a desktop like environment in your WordPress website. So let me close that, and let's go to the comment section, and this is how the comment section looks. Here you can see all comments, spam comment, trash comment like this. Now let's go to the appearance section, and this is how it looks. Now let's go to the plugins, and here you can see the plugins, and here you can see the author, version number, and the size of this plugin. You can deactivate this plugin, you can update this plugin, or you can browse plugins from here. So here I am using the desktop mode plugin, so I will include the plugin link in the description. So make sure to activate this plugin, and after that you will be able to change your WordPress dashboard into a desktop like environment. Let me close that. Now let's go to user section here. As you can see, this is the user section. Let me click on this, and here this is my profile page. So you can see the dashboard experience is completely changed using this plugin. I just installed this plugin. You don't need any changes on the plugin settings. Let's go to the profile, and here you can add new users. So try out this plugin and let me know what is your experience with this plugin. So here you can see the settings of this plugin where you can change your background. Here you can upload your own image, or you can select an image from your media library. Let me select this image, and you can see you can set a desktop image in your WordPress dashboard. That's cool. Let's click on OS setting here, and here you can change the accent color here as well, and here you can change the icons. You can enable the classic icons or unfilled icons like this. You can select the dock size like this, and here you have the AI settings, so you can connect it with ChatGPT and add live chat from your WordPress dashboard. And here you have the app and icon settings, feature settings. So this is the plugin settings. Here you can install your website as an app as well. So let me click on here, and it will install the website as an app, so that it will looks like a dedicated apps, and you are not seeing your browser settings and all these options. It will looks like an app, and you can access your website right from your desktop, just clicking on this, and it will open it like an app. So it is pretty cool, and you have a recycling bin option as well, where you can see all your recycling bin or deleted post, pages, medias, comments. So you can see all the recycling bin in one place. So you have a lot of options using this plugin. You have the content graph as well, and here you can see the all pages. You can click on any of the pages, you can open it in your WordPress editor. So you have pretty much more options using this plugin. And here you can see my WordPress icon. Here we have post, pages, users. Let me click on pages, and let me go to full screen mode. And here if you click on any of the page, then it will display a preview of that page like this. And if you want to open the about us page, then double click on it, and it will open the about us page in an editor window. So let me know what is your thoughts on this plugin, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. Thank you.